A warm welcome to Friends of ICP Academy. Now we move on to the next chapter, namely Theory of Production and Cost. First, let me explain what is the meaning of production. Production is an economic activity. What is meant by it? The ability of a firm to produce a good or a service at a cost which is competitive in the relevant market to keep the firm active or alive in the market is called as production. That is, from various raw materials or from various goods available, converting into a product or a service at a price which is relevant in the market is called as production. So the main aim of the business manager or one who takes up a business is to show an optimum efficiency, that is the maximum efficiency in production, by minimizing the cost of production, by reducing the cost of the production to the maximum extent. This production should happen in an economy to show the richness of the economy. What is the relation between the richness of an economy and the production? The richness of an economy is determined only by the number of goods and services produced by the country. If a country produces maximum number of goods and services and provides it to the country, then this country is said to be the richest one in its economy. Example, USA. It gives variety of products to the country market, so that is why it's called as a rich country. So this process by which the other factors of production, namely land, labor, capital and organization, is used to transform them into goods or services which in turn satisfies the human being is called as production. In other words, we can say transformation of the available inputs into outputs which are capable of satisfying human wants, which are capable of giving satisfaction to the human being is called as production. So production should have some input, production should be some process, production is the transformation of the input into finished products or outputs which are ready to be used by the human being. This is what is the meaning of production. Now James Bates and J.R. Pakistan, these economists, have defined production as it is the organized activity of transforming resources into finished product in the form of goods or services, and the objective of production is to satisfy the demand of such transformed resources. So very beautifully it has been explained. It is the organized activity of transforming resources. It's not just any activity which converts one product into the other. It is an organized activity. Here the conversion should result into finished product. It should be a product which is readily consumable, which can be readily used by human being. And the object of the production should be to satisfy the human beings in the market. Supposing if a food material is converted into a food, if it is prepared to a food in a family, it's not called a production. It is not a production, it is mere cooking. So when a product is purposely converted into a finished product to be served in the market for a price, then it is only called as production. But at the same time, production is not creation of matter. Man only adds utility to things that are available in the nature. Already cotton is available in the nature, but this cotton is converted into yarn and then into textile to be used by the human being. So what is there which really exists in nature is being converted through a process which is called production. This is the real meaning of production, which is explained in the first sector of this chapter.